Welcome back to What Are We Doing? The Franklin family. We stayed in a KOA RV park just south of Pueblo, Colorado, near Colorado City. We were here for about 3 weeks, and this is our last stop in Colorado before we start heading south for the fall. The temperatures were in the 80s to 90s here in the end of August. Perfect weather for grilling. We also enjoy going out to eat, and the conversations never disappoint.
We don't have normal smiles.
Okay.
Are not normal smiles.
Not
Are
creepy
normal
smiles. Can we do not creepy smiles? That's even better. That's excited, but like a little creepy.
She's super excited.
Less creepy. Let's try less creepy.
Oh, creepy.
Why? Why so creepy? It's not creepy. I feel like you're gonna kill me. You know the phrase "kill them with kindness"? That's not it.
I'm looking at you. Sorry.
That's disgusting.
Oh, you're disgusting. This kind of
One weekend, we decided to go exploring to find something fun to do. Just east of Pueblo, we found an aircraft museum and decided to check it out. This museum did not disappoint. They had dozens of airplanes in 2 hangars and more outside. There was so much to see.
Look above us. Look above us. Oh, yes.
There were many planes from World War I and World War II, as well as some modern-day aircrafts and helicopters.
Man, what a gas mess.
I'm taking pictures.
They've got one here for children too.
Yeah. Used to have one, like they put them in cribs. That's crazy.
Why did they have some pictures?
Because back in World War II, and one, they were afraid of like chemical gas warfare, and if they dropped poisonous gas on you, they'd tell all the citizens. Every citizen had one, like you would have one, and if the alarm went off, you would put on your gas mask, so you would be safe.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty crazy, huh?
German gas jacket.
Yeah, those are World War II ones. Yep.
For small children.
I want this one. Deep shot.
So just
Go
do that.
have a seat.
Have a seat and turn that. And then I'm going to show you something else.
Sit down.
Okay, turn it as fast as you can.
Turn it faster, 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 faster.
Now I'm going to turn this on and see what happens.
No, it
What
works.
happened?
You're generating power.
But what happened here? Got harder? Harder to turn, right? Because you have to generate more power. Now just think if this is the only light that you had in your house, and your parents said in order for you to eat your 3 meals a day, you have to turn this for 8 hours a day to keep light in your
That
house.
sounds good.
Wouldn't that be terrible?
Did you see your face? Oh.
All right. Let's find our way in this thing.
I think it's right here.
Yep. Let's go see.
I think whatever is open with the go.
That's what he said.
Whoa. Oh my god.
What? Yeah, you're not allowed.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Let's see. This is the cockpit. I don't think we can go any further than this idea.
Yeah. But we can like view it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Be real cool to get in.
And there's also a bag.
We'll go back there too. Let's go see. B-29 bomb, 20,000 pounds.
20,000 pounds.
This is what your grandpa flew, I think, right?
I think he was in some of these.
Yeah.
Great grandpa?
Yep.
Yeah, my dad's great grandpa.
Your great grandpa.
Just your great. So you have your grandpa and your
Let's go over here. Oh. Oh, your dad would love this. Or your grandpa would love this. My dad would love this.
History.
Man, that's a lot of wiring they ran through this thing.
Probably that's why they blocked it up.
No, I mean this is how it used. That's how it looked.
But like,
It's crazy.
How does this look compared to the
we gotta show
helicopters and
us.
planes you
Gotta show us.
It's very similar. A little bit messier, but that's okay. Probably leaks just like everything.
I bet Addison, if Addison was here, she would love this.
Yeah, she would.
Yeah.
She don't. She probably loves stuff like this.
Yep, you gotta bring these kinds of things too when you get together.
Wish I would come back. Yeah.
These tires. Get the cat. He looks happy. Fat and happy.
Try to keep the critters away.
He's a yard cat. I doubt it.
Because he likes to play.
Yeah, he looks clean and fat.
We saw planes and artifacts from all branches of the military. They have been restoring many of the planes to their original condition so visitors can see what it would have looked like during the years it was in use. We enjoyed this museum so much, we have now found and added more military-type museums to our bucket list of RV travels. We definitely recommend adding this to your bucket list if you travel through Pueblo, Colorado. We spent nearly 3 hours here, but we had to rush in the end because it was near closing time and we needed time to still check out the gift shop. Taking a video.
Oh,
What's today? Girly day.
girly day.
What are we gonna go do?
First, we're gonna go do our nails.
Yep. Pedicures, manicures, shopping,
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Yeah. What are you gonna get for them?
I don't know yet. I'll find some good food.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of McDonald's.
Well, I know that, but like, are you going to go get like a different thing from McDonald's? Well, not from McDonald's,
Right.
but just a different
I'll find some
takeout
other
thing.
takeout food, good food, yummy food, healthy food.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back. Peace.
What I would like to share is that we have multi-generational orchards currently. These were planted by first grandparents. So I put them on this plate and we made them tall. Each tomato, mint, basil, shallot.
Wait, give it.
Whoa. Like when I just out,
We really enjoyed our summer in Colorado this year, but before we knew it, 3 weeks were over and it was traveling day. It was time to repack and continue driving south. We are planning to get to Texas by mid-October, but we have a few more stops along the way. As we are planning our routes, we are following good weather, staying in small towns, and traveling about 2 to 4 hours between each stop. Do any other RVers travel short distances between stops like we do? Let us know in the comments how long your travel days are. So, what are we doing next? Our next stop is in Red River, New Mexico. We are staying 2 weeks, so we have time to explore the town, try some new food, and visit some local shops. Thanks for watching. We'll be sharing our adventures here on What Are We Doing? The Franklin Family.